Have you ever wondered what truly makes a connection between partners unforgettable? It's not just the physical aspects, but the deeper understanding of each other's desires and needs. Today, we're diving into the art of intimate connection and exploring 5 key positions that can enhance your partner's pleasure while strengthening your bond. Welcome, warriors of the spirit. Together, we delve into the art of cultivating inner strength and unbreakable determination. We face life's challenges with courage and resilience, always seeking to overcome limitations and reach new heights. Today, we'll explore how to bring that same strength and dedication into the bedroom, ensuring that both partners enjoy themselves and reach their full potential. Let's start with a simple yet powerful question. How can you ensure your partner enjoys every intimate moment with you? One of the most intimate and satisfying positions is spooning. In this position, both partners lie on their sides with the man behind the woman. This close contact enables stimulation of the G-spot while providing easy access to the clitoris. The dual stimulation can significantly enhance your partner's pleasure and deepen your connection. Now, let's explore 5 positions that many consider favorites. These foster moments where weakness has no place. Resolve is forged, and willpower becomes indestructible. Prepare to be inspired, motivated, and challenged to reach your full potential. Among these, spooning stands out as a preferred position for stimulating the G-spot. The lower wall of the vagina contains many nerve endings, and this position allows the penis to remain in close contact with it. Additionally, you can simultaneously stimulate the clitoris and G-spot, creating an unforgettable experience for both partners. Next is doggy style, position loved by many. In this setup, the woman gets on all fours while the man penetrates her vaginally from behind, holding her by the hips. A recent survey of experts revealed that this position is the favorite among English people aged 35 to 44. It offers the woman optimal control, allowing her to adjust her movements and angles to find what brings her the most pleasure. Interestingly, 8 out of 10 women enjoy incorporating verbal play, such as insults, during intimacy. According to them, it adds excitement and makes the activity more thrilling. This highlights the importance of understanding personal preferences in creating a memorable connection. Some women face unique physiological challenges, such as being born with a smaller vagina or, in rare cases, without one. This phenomenon affects about 1 in 5,000 individuals. For couples navigating such situations, open communication and exploring alternative methods of intimacy are key to fostering satisfaction and connection. Lastly, having sex while standing can offer benefits, including helping the man last longer and making it easier for the woman to reach climax. This position promotes physical closeness while providing new angles for stimulation, contributing to a mutually enjoyable experience. Ultimately, achieving a deeper connection with your partner lies in understanding their unique preferences, needs, and boundaries. Through open communication, creativity, and mutual respect, intimacy becomes not just an act but a shared journey of pleasure and trust. For minutes of focused effort may yield good results, but achieving climax during intercourse can sometimes take up to 20 minutes, depending on luck and mutual understanding. Interestingly, women who consistently offer tend to be those who may be unfaithful to their partners. Before diving deeper into these transformative positions and techniques, let's take a moment to connect. If you're finding value in this content and want to empower your intimate connections, please take a second to like this video. Your support enables me to create more free content like this, and it means the world to me. Additionally, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Drop a comment below with any questions or insights you have about enhancing intimacy in your relationships. Let's build a community where we can learn and grow together. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with your support, we can achieve this milestone. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content, helping you cultivate inner strength and deeper connections in every aspect of your life. Thank you for being part of this journey. One significant benefit of knowing your partner's sensitive areas, or weak points, is that it allows you to explore new forms of stimulation. These techniques can lead to quicker and stronger orgasms, enhancing satisfaction for both of you. Every person is unique in terms of preferences and sensitivities, so understanding what works best for your partner is key. Tailoring your approach can make a noticeable difference in her sexual satisfaction. Additionally, identifying and addressing your partner's weak points strengthens the emotional connection between you. Open and honest communication about likes and dislikes in the bedroom deepens trust and strengthens your bond. This mutual understanding leads to greater satisfaction in your intimate life, fostering a sense of security and shared pleasure. By paying attention to her preferences and taking steps to enhance her pleasure, you demonstrate care and commitment. This attentiveness shows that you value her satisfaction and are willing to explore together. Such gestures make her feel cherished and loved, which in turn increases her excitement and desire. Interestingly, men often experience heightened sexual arousal in the morning. This natural inclination can be harnessed to create more meaningful and pleasurable moments. Meanwhile, women often incorporate various objects to enhance their pleasure. After fingers and vibrators, candles rank among the most commonly used phallic items by women. Among women under 25, oral sex is reported to be the most common fantasy. However, the missionary position remains a classic and widely practiced choice for heterosexual couples worldwide. Though it may seem standard, international studies reveal that it is favored for its comfort, closeness, and intimacy. Women appreciate this position because it allows them to feel their partner's body covering theirs, providing warmth and security without being overwhelming. Moreover, missionary is not just emotionally satisfying, it is also effective for physical pleasure. Sexology experts classify it as one of the best positions for women to achieve orgasm, particularly when practiced with a diagonal alignment. This angle maximizes clitoral stimulation, significantly increasing the likelihood of climax. For women who face difficulties reaching orgasm, shorter clitorises can be a contributing factor. These anatomical differences often result in greater distance between the clitoris and the vaginal opening, making direct stimulation more challenging. However, with open communication and a willingness to experiment, couples can find creative ways to bridge this gap and foster mutual satisfaction. Ultimately, understanding your partner's preferences and needs creates a more fulfilling and connected relationship. Through patience, exploration, and genuine care, intimacy becomes a shared journey of discovery, deepening your bond and creating unforgettable moments together. After the age of 50, some men may experience changes in their sexuality and mistakenly believe that good sex is over. However, this is far from the truth. With the right information and a bit of creativity, these thoughts can easily disappear. One position that stands out for its effectiveness is the cougar position, where the woman is on top of the man. This position allows women to have greater control over their orgasms. The woman can dictate the pace, moving as fast or as slow as she desires, while also controlling the depth of penetration. In the cougar position, the woman has easy access to her clitoris, enabling her to stimulate it with her hands or by adopting an angle of friction against the man's body to enhance her pleasure. This position prominently highlights the woman, giving her the freedom to set the rhythm and intensity of the encounter. Simultaneously, the man has direct access to her breasts, which are another highly sensitive erogenous zone, helping to increase her arousal. It is worth noting that 80% of women do not marry the man they love, but instead choose the one who is ready for commitment. This reality often leads to unhappy marriages. When exploring anal sex, preparation is essential. Keeping the area clean is a good starting point. It can be washed with water and neutral soap, and the intestines can be emptied with an enema to ensure comfort. A woman's sexual drive tends to be more easily influenced than a man's. Interestingly, women who have sex at least once a week often appear happier, more feminine, and more beautiful. On average, women are more attracted to older men because this subconsciously signals experience and stability. traits that are highly valued in relationships. Another effective position for women to achieve orgasm more quickly is the alignment technique. This variation of the classic missionary position focuses on intense clitoral stimulation. To practice it, the woman should keep her legs together, while the man keeps his apart. This arrangement increases pressure during penetration, enhances physical contact for the woman, and stimulates the man's penis. To amplify sensations, the man can press the woman's hips against his body, creating an even deeper connection and greater pleasure. Body language often reveals attraction. For instance, when a woman is drawn to a man, she may unconsciously moisten her lips with her tongue to make them appear shinier and more appealing. Interestingly, women who frequently perform oral sex are often those who are unfaithful to their partners. This behavior stems from a habitual desire to see another man aroused by their actions. Life is full of mysteries and secrets, making it a journey of constant exploration and discovery. For some, even unexpected activities like exercising can lead to an orgasm due to repetitive movements and continuous friction. Mature women, particularly those over 40, tend to find it easier to achieve orgasm compared to younger women under 40. Additionally, women over 40 are more likely to initiate a kiss before sex, while younger women typically initiate one after sex. Another position worth exploring is the screw position. This approach allows the man to maintain absolute control over the movements of penetration while still ensuring significant pleasure for the woman. In this setup, the woman needs to keep her body positioned in a way that maximizes stimulation, allowing both partners to experience heightened sensations. Understanding these techniques and exploring different approaches can significantly improve intimacy. Life's mysteries, especially in the realm of relationships and physical connection, are vast and varied. Embracing them with curiosity and openness can lead to deeper connections and greater satisfaction in every intimate encounter. For a more satisfying experience, try a position where the woman keeps her legs elevated. She should lie on her back on the bed with her legs fully stretched upwards, crossing one over the other. The man can hold her ankles to help her maintain this position. Once positioned, penetration occurs, creating intense stimulation for both partners. This position is particularly pleasurable for the man, making it ideal for achieving an incredible synchronized orgasm. When a man likes a woman and is in love, he can't help but talk about her with his friends. His admiration often extends to the bedroom, where his actions show his desire to satisfy her. For instance, if he licks her vagina and plays with her nipples, it's a clear sign that he genuinely cares about her pleasure. Additionally, many women, when attracted to a man, naturally lower their tone of voice. Before penetration, they often enjoy having their breasts caressed, which can be a powerful way to ignite their desire. Next time you're with a lady, try this, and you'll see how it melts her defenses. Oral sex is another favorite form of foreplay for many women, enhancing their pleasure and preparing them for deeper intimacy. Women's sexuality is often considered a powerful weapon in the dynamics between men and women. On the other hand, the left hand of a man can become his greatest ally in these moments, especially for those with experience in understanding and utilizing its potential. Understanding your partner's weak points is crucial for cultivating a deeply intimate and satisfying connection. This knowledge is especially relevant when it comes to female ejaculation, as it can lead to a more intense and pleasurable experience for both partners. Taking the time to explore and address these areas not only strengthens the physical bond but also deepens emotional intimacy. In the battlefield of life, only those with an unbreakable spirit prevail. As warriors of masculine monasticism, we refuse to yield to adversity. Instead, we embrace each challenge as an opportunity to grow and strengthen ourselves. Remember, every struggle is a chance to demonstrate resilience and determination. Let's rise together, brothers and sisters, and move forward with courage and conviction. When united, no obstacle is insurmountable. Together, we march onward to greatness. Unforgettable relationships between partners do not stem from physical intimacy alone. They stem from understanding, communication, and mutual respect. Make open dialogue and emotional connection a priority in your relationships. Take time to understand your partner's unique needs and desires, whether through direct communication or attentive observation. Small gestures, such as showing interest in their preferences or creating a safe space for vulnerability, can deepen emotional bonds and build trust. Above all, the importance of creativity and adaptability reminds us that physical intimacy is a journey of discovery. Approaching intimacy with a willingness to try new things while respecting each other's boundaries can keep the connection fresh and exciting. Lastly, the idea of resilience and overcoming challenges, as referenced in the battlefield of life, applies to relationships too. Viewing conflicts or misunderstandings as opportunities to grow together rather than as insurmountable obstacles can strengthen your bond. Whether it's navigating the changing dynamics of aging, as mentioned for men over 50, or addressing specific challenges like physiological differences, a partnership rooted in patience and teamwork can thrive. In practice, this means embracing curiosity, practicing kindness, and committing to continuous growth as individuals and as a couple. Intimacy and connection aren't just about physical acts, but about fostering a shared journey of mutual respect, exploration, and understanding. And so, we conclude this journey. It has been a pleasure sharing these reflections on Stoicism and how to apply its principles to our daily lives. As we wrap up, I hope these tips inspire you to enhance the intimate connections with your partner. True strength lies in mutual understanding, open communication, and the willingness to explore together. Thanks for watching my videos. If you are looking to grow in life, don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and subscribing. This supports the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Leave your thoughts or comments below. Feel free to express yourself and stay positive. See you next time.